it's me Maj. Today I'm coming up with another recipe which is a dessert, the mango mousse. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also turn on your post notifications on and like the video. I also have a Facebook page and an Instagram page. You should also follow me over there. Okay, so now let's get to how we make the mango mousse. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the ingredients of the mango mousse. So here I have 4 mangoes that I have blended to make the puree, 250 ml of cream, and 250 ml of condensed milk, and I have shortbread. You can use any biscuit you like to make the base. Okay, so now let's get to the preparation of the mango mousse. Okay, so now I have crushed the shortbread for my base. If you don't want to use shortbread, you can use any biscuit. Okay, so first I have crushed the shortbread, and now I will take 3 tablespoons of melted butter and put it in. Stir and then we mix it. You can do this with a hand if it's more convenient for you. Okay, so I've added the melted butter in the shortbread and then I've mixed it. It should look something like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna flatten it out so that we can make a base for our mango mousse. Okay, so now I have flattened the shortbread. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep this aside for like 30 minutes. And now let's get on with our mango mousse. Okay, so now I have taken 250 ml of condensed milk. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the mango puree. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Should I just use the spoon? Yeah, let's use the spoon. Oh, dig deep. Okay. Now that I've taken that out, I'm just gonna fold with the condensed milk. It's looking very good up till now. We're gonna see what it becomes like later. Okay, so I have taken 250 ml of cream. Okay, so now I'm gonna whip it at a low speed until it has become stiff. Like it shouldn't drip off the bowl when I invert it. And yeah, let's begin this beautiful, beautiful journey. So basically how you will know that if the cream has been whipped enough, then you will see that the cream, it's not gonna drip off the machine. Okay, so now the cream is done. So now I will add the mango mixture in the cream. Fill it up with juice. So now we're gonna fold top to bottom gently. Okay, so it has been 30 minutes since I've been cooling the base of the mango mousse. So now I'm gonna pour the mixture into over the base. Sorry. So I'm gonna just start off with a bit. As you can see, I'm just gonna like spread it out to every corner. Okay. Okay, so you can keep it in the fridge for like 3 to 4 hours. But for best results, I'm gonna keep it overnight so that it cools properly. See you tomorrow. Okay, so the mango mousse has been cooled down. Okay, so you may reduce the amount of cream you use just a bit. Okay, so otherwise it's okay. Please share my recipe with your friends and anyone you know. Like the video, and yes, don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on. Like my Facebook and Instagram page. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Okay, so the mango mousse is done, as you can see here. I've garnished it with mango pieces. So now I'm going to cut out a slice for myself. Sorry for the background noise, people. Okay, so there's a mango mousse slice piece, whatever you want to call it. Just take a look at it. The base is made up of shortbread. Looks nice. Okay, thank you. Please check my recipe on YouTube. And now let's eat this. Yum! This is the mango mousse. Please check my recipe on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe.